Hello, today we are going to discuss how to install the logosoft. Also install the USB cable driver. Okay. Now we are going to just see how to write or how to just go for the simple program. So first go to file, new file and ladder diagram. Okay. So today we are going to discuss the very basic first program over here. This is my ladder diagram. Take one contact, give the command start push button, simulation, we are going to maintain it as a switch, then we are taking the output as a relay coil. Okay, and you are going to connect it. Simply you have to place here and drag over there. Then go to tools, simulation, start simulation. When the button is pressed, the lamp will on. When the button is pressed again, the lamp is off. Okay, so this is the simple program over here. But most of the time I have to use what? Push button. So for that purpose you have to use momentary push button make. Okay, now see what is the change that is going to be occur over here. Go to simulation, start simulation. Now in this case, when I am going to press the button, the lamp will on, but when I am going to release, it will off. So if I want to maintain the lamp on, I need to press it. Okay, once I will release my finger, the lamp is off. Okay, but this is the push button, momentary on push button.